Today we will be learning how to design effective infographics. Now, what is an infographic? Infographic is short for informative graphic, and it is a visual representation of information, data, or knowledge. They can be used to present information quickly and clearly, and often combine visual and textual elements. The goal is to help viewers both understand and remember complex information. Infographics could be useful in any of the following instances: providing a quick overview of a topic, explaining a complex process, displaying research findings or survey data, summarizing a long blog post or report, comparing and contrasting multiple options, or raising awareness about an issue or cause. This is not an exhaustive list, but some common examples of when to use infographics. There are many principles of design, but this workshop specifically focuses on the fundamentals of creating visual elements of an infographic. These principles will help you organize and arrange elements in your work. Applying these principles will create effective communication projects by ensuring that the message and purpose of the work is clear, concise, and coherent for the audience. The 4 principles of design, using the acronym PARC, are proximity, alignment, repetition, and contrast. We will discuss them each individually in the following slides. First, there is proximity, which simply means the distance between graphics and information. For example, the closer two elements are, the more closely they are related. White space, which means space where there will be no information or graphics, will benefit your graphic by directing the viewer's eyes to important information. For example, white space between clusters represents separate ideas. The next principle is alignment. It is the arrangement in appropriate relative positions so that relationships between elements are clear. Good use of alignment helps create cohesiveness and clarity and assures a neat and organized appearance, which is most appealing to an audience. The next principle is repetition. Now, repetition does not mean repeating information or graphics, but more so means maintaining consistency in design choices. For example, developing a cohesive color scheme or style for presenting information and maintaining it throughout the infographic. The final principle is contrast. An effective infographic has colors and tones that are distinguishable from one another. For example, putting blue text on a black background will make things hard to read and see. Contrast makes text and images easier to see. For example, blue and orange would make for a good color scheme because they have high contrast to one another. Color should maintain the same level of brightness to look professional and consistent. Listed here are some great free resources that could be used to make infographics. The links will be in the description box of this video. In my opinion, Canva is the most user-friendly and renders the most beautiful work. However, they are all great resources. You can also book a Noel Studio consultation if you need some help or feedback on your design. Sign up for consultations at our website. See you soon, and good luck.